Hey guys, what's up? So Tomo showing you how to complete level 5 in Zombie Derby. So this game has been updated to 5,000 Gs. I believe this is the last title update since this has 5,000 G mark. And it's been updated for Windows and for the Xbox. So you get it both times. The last title update is to complete all 5 levels, to complete level 1 to 5. Most of you probably start the game and then you should already have level 1 beat, so you have to beat level 2, 3, 4, and 5. So to beat the 2, 3, and 4, 5, which is 2, 3, 4, and 5, you get a new car or a new vehicle per each level that you want to use, and then you just want to keep playing till you get enough coins and max it out, and then you should be able to beat them. Shouldn't be too hard at all. You shoot the enemies, you shoot the barrels, and use your boost to get over certain spots, certain like hills and all that, certain jumps. But the last level can be a little difficult. I had a little difficulty with it because I did not know how to beat it, but once I found out how to like the strategy how to beat it, it became 20 times easier. So I want to just show you guys this. So I don't have the achievement yet, so we're gonna begin this achievement in this video. You go to lock, you have level 5 left. Alright, so pretty much how to get this achievement. If you're on Xbox, you have a controller. On Windows, doesn't let me use my controller, so you can just use the keyboard. You press N for N. You press or hold N for nitro, and then the space key is the shooting, and then use the arrows, or I think use like WAD something like that. To actually move. I mean to use the gas. So in this one, you can update this fully to gunner, but you don't have to. So you only need this at least on level 1. Everything else you want to have max upgraded. This already comes upgraded when you get this vehicle. I have to complete level 4, and then you want to upgrade this fully, this, and the gas. And then you can leave this in level 1. You can update this if you want. Like I said, you don't have to. So pretty much the strategy in here. You want to save your nitro for the jumps. You don't want to shoot any zombies. Okay, you want to make sure that you hit every zombie because the trick with this one is that zombies actually boost you. Oops, I pressed the wrong thing there. But zombies actually give you more gas, which is I never knew that. So I was like trying to play it forever, and I was like, "There's no way it's possible to beat this game. I mean, beat this level." And I realized like, okay, I'm doing it completely wrong. So again, like try to go slow, don't go too fast. What I recommend is watching this video first, and then give this level a try. So I'm gonna pretty much walking you through each one. It's definitely the hardest level in my opinion. It's definitely the longest as well. All right. So for this one, we can use the nitro a little, just like that, enough to get over, and then keep running into the zombies. The bird doesn't matter. We don't have to waste our time trying to shoot it or kill it. All right. So this says stop, which is really bad. It should say like slow down. I don't know why it says stop. Pretty much want to go very slow here if you want to make sure you hit all the zombies. If you go too fast, you're gonna fly over them. So I was like a little misleading because it shouldn't say stop. It should say slow down. All right, so when you see jump, you could just this is gonna be big jumps. You want to keep holding nitro. So this is the biggest jump. All right, perfect. You made it. All right. So you want to like keep holding the N button or keep holding I forgot what it is on the that spots, but keep holding the nitro button to make sure you guys get over. If you get stuck in the mud, it slows you down and you waste more gas, so you don't want to get stuck in the mud. Yeah, it says stop again. So here you actually want to go slow again, I believe. Yeah, yeah, just go slow. All right, so we missed one zombie. Shouldn't be too big of a deal. Again, like when it says stop, you just want to go slow. I don't know why it says stop. When I first played this, I like actually completely stopped, and I was like, "Is this how I'm supposed to beat it?" And I actually, if you stop completely, you have to redo the level because that's pretty much how you lose. All right, so jump. You go hold N and then press the shooting button. All right, and that's it. Just enough to get over the ditch. So right here, I'm like halfway through the level, and I have half my nitrogen, so I should be good. Um, I only made 2 mistakes so far. I missed one zombie, which shouldn't be that big a deal because if it's a big zombie, you get more gas for it. But I missed a small zombie and I hit the barrel by accident. I haven't played this game like 2 days. That's why like I'm kind of like a little rusty. And use your nitro here. Maybe see like the the black mulch or whatever, you want to use your nitro. Or when it says jump. So use our nitro here. Alright, that's more than enough. Alright. The dogs, just hit them. They give you gas as well. You could do like do a flip here. It doesn't really matter. I mean, you just get your coins. I believe if you do flip, you see the ramp. Just use your nitro to get over it. Perfect. All right. I think there's only like one or two more of the times we need to use our nitro, if I'm not mistaken. I didn't beat this level, and I beat my S spots like a month or two ago, so I don't remember it too well. All right, shoot that. I'm not sure this makes a difference, but also like if you hold down the like the gas button, I don't know. I just feel like like sometimes if you like rapidly, if you're already going fast, just keep pressing on it to save some gas. I don't know. I feel like that helps me. I'm not sure if it actually does anything, but I think it does. But we're actually almost done this level. If you run out of gas and you have some nitrogen left, actually we don't. I don't think we have any more um, hills left, or yeah. So I mean, if you run out of gas, you always just use nitrogen if you're like really close to being a level. Yeah, like, I guess there's no more hills left. But yeah, we have enough. Look at our gas. Like we're barely even less than halfway. So yeah, we just use our night. Yeah, that's it. So it's not easy to beat, as long as you know those tips. And then yeah, you enjoy driving so much the Combine so much that you decided to become a zombie harvester. Amidst the chaos, you soon made a huge fortune processing zombies to feel. Pretty cool. And that's it. So now there should be a full completion with this game. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.